Hey kids, hi! This is once again Dina D'Souza bringing you creative art and craft. In today's artwork, we are going to cover a simple book and make it look decorative. So I've taken this 100 pages book and I'm going to take an A3 size paper. See, you can see this color. I've taken a light blue. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just make this paper into, just fold this paper into half like this, and while folding just see that the above paper is aligned with the below paper, and once you are done you'll get this center line. Then you are going to place your book right at the center and see that you keep the distance above the book and the below the book the same. And once you are done, see that also while after keeping the books, skipping the book, you just see that the paper is aligned one above the other. Then we are going to just give this kind of impression on the cover and just fold this book like this, paper like this, to make this cover. Can you see what I'm doing? So just slowly keep on folding this. This will help you to get the line where you need to fold the paper. So once this is done, can you see this? There's a distance equally. If it is not equal, don't worry. What we are going to do is we are just going to shift the book. If it is not equally, then we are just going to shift the book slowly and make it in a, now then again we are going to create this line by just simply folding it with the help of your finger, the pointer finger and your thumb. Just fold all the four sides like this. Once you have done this folds, what we are going to do is we are just going to cut this. This is the openable side and opposite to the openable side is this side. So we are just going to give a cut like this. Same over here, we are going to do it on the top and the bottom, and then I'm just going to open one side of the book and I'm going to fold inside like this. Can you see what I'm doing? And I'm going to do the same over here, and all the four sides we are going to do the same, and do it neatly. See that your table, wherever you're doing, it's neat and clean. So the one side is done. We are going to do the same with the other. So this is how you're going to fold the cover. So this is the light color I have used, and once we have decorated it, you can put a plastic cover so that the design will not spoil and even the cover will not spoil. So we'll cut the extra This is how you cover your book. You can cover your journals. You can cover any ordinary book and make it look decorative. And with simple design, you can make your book look as if you have bought it from out. So this is my notebook. I have covered it. So this is the opening side. While designing, just see, open your book and see which side is openable. So now, so to decorate this book, I'm going to take some colorful papers like this. So I actually, what I do when I use pieces of paper and the leftovers, I just keep it with me. I don't throw it away, because some or the other way it gets used in some tiny works that we need to do. So I've kept some beautiful colored pieces of papers, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one piece of paper and I'm going to fold it into this two, yeah, and I'm going to draw a heart shape like this, a half heart, and once you cut it, you'll get a big heart. So this is a bigger heart, but we need a small heart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a small heart like this, and I'm going to cut this out. I hope you can see this. I'll just draw it with the pen so it's visible for you. So this is the heart, and I'm going to cut it out. Slowly while cutting, see that you use the edge of the scissor, and if you find it difficult to cut the round, just do one thing always, just cut the side of the paper, and then it's become easier for you to cut in shape, the round shape or any shape. It's easier for you to cut it. Otherwise you have to take this whole paper and just give a round, or you have to move the paper. So this is how I have done the small heart. I'm going to do this with all the colors that I have over here. So I'm going to show you one more. I'm going to take a green color, dark, this is the fluorescent green, and I'm going to place this heart right over here and trace it out with my pencil. So I'm going to trace it out with my pencil like this. So once you have drawn this heart shape, yeah, can you see this? I'm going to cut this out. You just need to take the first heart and trace it out on all the other colors. So this was, kids, these are the hearts that I have cut from the colorful papers, and now we are going to glue these heart on the book. So we are going to take the colors. You can see how beautiful the color looks like. Okay, so we are going to take the first pink, and the folded portion will go backside like this. Okay, the folded portion, it will go, we are going to stick on that. We are going to stick this like this. I'm going to take one green color, I'm going to do okay, where should I put this? Okay, yeah, I'm going to put this out here. Okay, so it looks like a bunch of balloons, right? So it is a balloon, and now I'm going to make a basket over here. So this is my hot air balloon basket. So I'm going to take a brown paper and I'm going to give it a basket look. So I'm going to take this and make it look like a basket like this. If you can't see, I'm just going to draw it with my brown pen. Like, I hope you can see this. Okay, it looks like a basket. This much is enough. This will so this is what I have done. I'm going to give a little curve like this, and I'm not going to use this part. I'm not going to use this part, which is not okay, and I'm going to place it over here. So let's take this out. And remember why I have taken the blue color. Okay, I did a mistake. Never glue on your book. That will spoil your cover. So keep your book aside while you're doing your work, because that's a very light color that I have used. That might even spoil your book. So see that you place right at the center of the book cover. Okay, done. Now I'm going to take a brown color. I'm going to take my brown color and just give a basket look to it. I'm just going to do this and this, and you can just give some string like this. Okay, and I'm just going to draw this thing and I'm going to tie a bow. I don't know, I just wanted to make it look a little prettier, little simpler. Yeah, this is the bow. And we are going to design these hearts. How we are going to design these hearts is I'm going to take my colorful sketch pen like this. So for pink I'm going to take a blue color. I'm just going to give some dots like this, and I'm going to design this hearts in different patterns. Can you see this dots? And I'm just randomly giving some dots like this. Okay, so this hot air balloon is in the air. So what I'm going to do is, next I'm going to make some clouds over here with my white paper. So these are some of my white sheet of paper. Again, I'm going to fold this into half so that we can get two clouds one at a time. With this I'm going to get 2 clouds, and from this I'm going to get 2 more clouds. I'm going to take these shapes and cut it out. So we have got this 4 clouds, and we are going to stick this here. So we are going to stick some here and some here and some here. So it looks like the hot air balloon is in the air, and I'm going to glue this out with my glue. So this is how we are done with the clouds, and now I'm just going to end it up by just drawing some birds around like this. Okay, and then can even give a slight shade of blue on the cloud like this if you want to. Otherwise the whole the border, if you want to keep it plain white, that's fine. I'm just giving slight border like this. The book cover is done. Children, be creative in whatever you do. So I just give you an idea how you can cover your book. Hope you enjoyed making this book cover, kids, and see you next time. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.
If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.